Every single day, we hear about a new artificial intelligence tool. It can write essays, generate beautiful art, or even create full videos in just a few seconds. It feels almost like magic. But is AI truly the future of humanity, or are we heading toward a massive wave of digital chaos? Artificial intelligence is no longer just a topic for science fiction movies. It is already a huge part of our daily life. We use it every time we talk to virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. It runs behind the scenes when we browse the internet, manage our bank accounts, or get recommendations on what to watch next. Welcome back to Budget AI Tools. Today we are looking past the hype. We want to answer a critical question. Is AI going to make our world better, or does it bring serious problems that we are not ready to fix? Let's look at the facts. Let's start with the good news. One of the most amazing examples of AI potential is in medicine. Standard traditional methods can sometimes miss the earliest signs of diseases like cancer. Today, smart machine learning systems can analyze thousands of medical scans in seconds. They find tiny details that human eyes might miss, helping doctors diagnose serious illnesses much earlier. This technology is actively saving lives right now. On a smaller scale, AI is making our daily lives much easier and more comfortable. Think about smart home devices. They learn our personal habits, adjust the heating when we sleep, and protect our homes. These smart systems take away small, stressful daily tasks so we can focus on what really matters. Best of all, many of these powerful tools are completely free or very cheap to use. This means anyone, from students to retirees, can use them to learn new things, build creative projects, or make their daily work faster and more efficient. However, as AI grows, new and serious challenges arrive. The biggest worry for most people is job loss. In many industries, tasks that used to take hours of human labor can now be automated instantly. Offices, customer service departments, and manufacturing sectors are changing fast. This raises a massive question. What happens to workers when a machine can do their job for a fraction of the cost? It is not just about employment. The future of AI is a deep social and economic issue. We also have to face major privacy violations and ethical concerns. AI systems need massive amounts of data to learn. But where does that data come from? Who owns our personal information, and how can we make sure it is not used against us? There is also the problem of misinformation. With advanced voice cloning and fake picture tools, it is becoming incredibly easy to create false news and realistic scams. This creates a world of uncertainty where it is hard to know what is real and what is generated by a computer. So, what is the ultimate path forward? Will the relationship between humanity and AI be one of cooperation or one of confrontation? Many experts believe that AI will not completely replace humans. Instead, people who use AI will replace people who don't. The key is adaptation and lifelong learning, no matter how old we are or what our background is. Instead of fearing this technology, we can choose to master it. By using simple, affordable AI tools, we can automate the boring parts of life and focus on our creativity, our unique experiences, and our human connections. The goal is to make sure that technology serves humanity and not the other way around. To wrap it all up, the future of artificial intelligence is complex and it has many sides. It doesn't just depend on the engineers who build it. It depends on how we, as a society, choose to use it every day. The benefits are massive, but the challenges are too big to ignore. What do you think? Is AI a helpful tool or a dangerous threat? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you want to learn how to use advanced technology on a budget, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching Budget AI Tools, and I'll see you in the next video.